Okay, this will be my attempt to install TensorFlow. There's so many problems with this that people usually face, and this is really meant as a reminder for me, but I may post this on YouTube, and maybe you can get something from it as well. But so here are the hardware requirements supposedly. So I say supposedly because this is a um, tough thing to try to install. So I'm going to try to use Python 3.9. That seems to be the version that gives a little bit easier installation uh, experience for most people. Here are the requirements. You do need C++ downloads. You can see the link there. That Microsoft Visual C++ package, and so also these drivers, you need to make sure you're at this version 450.80.02. This CUDA toolkit 11.8. This SDK package 8.6.0. And then optional is this Tensor RT, which I likely will not install in this video. So um, make sure that you've got the right driver that we just talked about. You can go to this page and do that, and then downloading this CUDA match. So at first I'm going to install a version of Anaconda that works well with these two versions. So I'm going to go with this 8.1.0 CUDNN file for the 11.2 CUDA. All right, so let's see, for Windows. Okay, so you want that file there for the CUDNN, so you can download that. So go ahead and click on that and download that. You may have to register with an email address to download this, but that's what you want. And then this toolkit Windows version 10 exe, you want to download that as well. Okay, so once you have those downloaded, you also want to download the first version that had, I believe, 3.9 Python. The best that I can determine was this 2021 November exe file. So we're going to download that and then run that and install Anaconda. Like I said, I assume this will work, but we won't really know till we get through it. All right, next. I'm just going to do it for all users since it is just me. Next. I do want to add it to path. I'm going to do this. We'll see what happens. It has a lot of files to go through. So you saw me end all those tasks. I don't know why. I tried to install that CUDA 11.2 file. It took a while for it. It didn't show up for a while, and then I started ending the task, and then it did. So let's see if this will work with this Windows 11 system. It's really meant for Windows 10. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, so I need to go to Control Panel and uninstall these two things. Alrighty. Install a program. Uninstall. Oh, I need to get rid of this first. Now. Install. Yes. Okay, and now physics. Install. Install. Okay. Got all that uninstalled. Now, go to that CUDA. I'm going to actually run as administrator. We'll see if this will come up. It took it a while to run last time. We'll see if how long this takes. Oh, there you go. Alright, okay. I was told this would be a journey. And it is. We want everything. Yep. Next. Next. Oh, I thought I had this installed already. Okay. I just need to follow my own advice and go back. Install. Where is it at? This here. Thought that I had already installed this, but I guess I had not. So let me go back a few steps and we'll see if we can install all this first. Install. So if you haven't got this installed, then it'll remind you on the NVIDIA installation to do so. This may take a little while. Alright, we're going to restart before we install this. I'm going to cancel this. Close all this down. Alright, we'll be back. For now, there's not one of these here. If we run into this problem, I'm going to copy that web page and that response. If I run into that later, we'll come back to it. And I'll try to make a folder that has that, or I can put that in that other folder if I need to later. Alright, so we're going to find the temporary folder and pull that onto there. And then if we need to later, we'll copy it into here. CUDA. Okay. So let's go into, for now, this again. As administrator. Okay. I guess it's not done yet. Fresh. I don't see that folder. Visual Studio integration. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's buried. Okay, all this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We've got this mostly installed. Now the CUDNN. All right. And now we're going to go into the CUDNN folder and copy all of these folders here and move them to the C drive. Let's see where that was installed. Okay, that was installed under Program Files, NVIDIA, GPU Computing Toolkit, CUDA, and then we need to paste them all in here. And continue. So you definitely need admin rights to do this, which not everyone has, some of the places they work. Okay, as soon as this is done, we're going to, in fact, I guess we can do that now while that's copying over. We're going to go to the environment variables, edit the system environment variables. Okay, environment variables, and we got this. Now we're going to refer to this document here. We need CUDNN. Alright, let's see if that comes up. After this goes kind of copying over here. Environment variable. New. Make sure this is correct. NVIDIA CUDA 11.2. copy that. We're going to call this CUDA path. Hit OK. Alright. Then we're going to go to, oh, it's there too. And we're going to do a new one as well for bin. So new CUDNN. So that's going to be all of these things. So we need to go this, bin, this, lib, and a semicolon again, and let's do include. Okay. Make sure that looks. And path system. Okay. So let's make sure that, so this one's here. Let me just get back into it here. This one's here. And then I don't see it down here, so we've got to add everything down here too. So new CUDNN. I don't think I need a space there. I don't think it matters, but bin, lib, and include. Don't need that. Okay. 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 I think we got it all. Path where it's located, in other words, inside the bin. You could directly find me at set the environment variable CUD. Okay. Now, this is for WSL2. We're on native here. Okay. I think we're almost at the point of having this done. Alright, so I'm going to go to Anaconda prompt, and let's see, Python. Okay. Let's see if some of these things work. Import numpy as np numpy is imported. Import lib pyplot as plt. That works. Import that works. Import pandas as pd. That works. Okay. So that everything seems to be, the library is installed. Okay. Now, flow stf hasn't been found yet, so we need to import. We want version pip install TensorFlow. Someday. Okay. Looks like we've installed Keras with this. Keras, there it is. Okay, so that's there. What about, just curious about NL install NLTK. Alright, that's there. Great. Now let's see if we can install Anaconda install C. Peter JC123 is a decent way of trying to install PyTorch. So I've heard. We'll see if it works. Alright, this is going to update to 4.12. We're going to go yes on this, and hopefully this will be okay. Hopefully. Okay, let me try opening this as administrator. Run as admin. Okay, let's try this again. Alright, hit the space bar and it figured itself out there. I want to do yes, enter. Let's see if this will work now that I run it as administrator. Okay. Now let's test out Python. And let's go to import TensorFlow STF. This will print version. Yep, good. Alright, so got the right version. Now let's print this command. I'm going to copy over here into here. Okay. Alright. Doing all of that actually made it be able to recognize that there is a GPU. So, success. This was a very tedious process, but I think we got there. All right, thanks. So now you can use your GPU to actually do some machine learning. Something I meant to do, let me go back to the prompt. I don't think I need admin rights here. So we'll go IPython. Alright, now we're going to get a list and some details. Let's get a list of the, let's do it one line at a time. Yeah, that's right, GPU 0, and then GPUs, details, and then print, So you hit enter, and you're supposed to hit shift enter, and that'll let you know what you've got.